front of me is old tech. It's the 1948 Philips BX-480, and it is an AM receiver with 4 shortwave bands on it, medium wave and long wave. Why this radio now? Well, I never got the chance to test it properly. As you can see, they have cut off the power connector, so something is off with it, and I'm gonna put it on a full current. I'm gonna put the lamp test, and then we know within a few seconds how the radio is coping. It's the oldest radio that we have in the collection, and like I said, it's meant to receive communications in AM, of course. This radio was intended for those who needed to listen to AM communications. Mostly that were people who were working on open sea. Fishermen had a lot of these radios in the house. This radio, it's in a fair condition. It's not great, but it's not bad either. As you can see here, that spot that you see here is because of the camera that's blocking my light from behind. But you can see here and there, you see some weak spots in the canvas. Here also a weak spot. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the canvas of this radio. I'm afraid if I start to clean it, it will rip. So yeah, the radio is in a fair condition. I did not pay much for it anyway, but I never got to test it. I put it on the shelf, and every time I look at our collection, I see this radio and I'm thinking, what's going on with it? Why is it not tested yet? So tonight, well, maybe a longer, maybe a very short video. We can see that in a few seconds how this radio is working or not. It's a very wide range for the shortwave band, 1.6 to, they even have mentioned the kilohertz. You don't see that much anyway. 4.5 megahertz. They say it's about 9, this band. This band goes from, I don't have my glasses, 9.5 until 14, so 20 meter band. This band goes from, Jesus, I really need some glasses. Oh, there they are. Boy, oh boy. This band is from 11.5 megahertz until 18, and this band runs from 15 megahertz until 26. So yeah, it is not your average typical radio. They are saying that it's a normal broadcast band radio. Well, it's not. It has the purpose of receiving the fisherman's band on it. I probably would think that band 3 would that be. But here we see the selector for the bands. This is band 1, so long wave, medium wave, first shortwave band, second, third and last shortwave band, and then you should get a move on, because on the switch you also should have the possibility to have a record player on it. This is a tuning, of course. I have to be very cautious. The capacitor inside the robots have been gone to frisk, so I don't want to tune it too harsh, otherwise you will hear a lot of crackling coming out of the radio if it works. So first I'm gonna put a connector on it, and then we're gonna see if this puppy will work or not. Scary moment. That's weird. The looks weird. Okay, let's check the light bulb. No, radio is as dead. No, it's really dead. No, it's gone. Okay, what can we do about it then? Well, I will turn it over, clean all the tubes. Maybe this will help. Okay. Something is off with the radio. I don't know what, but I'm not getting any power inside the radio. Let's connect this to one wire. Connect the other to the... Let's do the continuity tests. Yeah. There's something wrong with the wire. Broken connection. Because no, not having any luck. Well, we take a piece of wire often. It's long enough. It does feel a bit fuzzy. If there have to be. Let's see how the wire is on the inside. Jeez. So, new wire. Let's strip that. So we're gonna strip the wire. See how it looks. It's very thick wire though. Jeez, this is old. That's why they had the connector off. Something is off with this wire. Okay. Continuity test again. Let's put the meter. Continuity test again. That goes on there. Now the black wire head is green. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. Found why the radio did not want to work. There was a little breakage in the 220 volt cable. Okay. Well, that we know, so I'm gonna reattach the connector again, and then test number 2. So, after removing some broken wire on the 220 volt, the second light bulb test. The light bulb is preventing the radio from shorting out on the power source. Looking at what I just saw on my multimeter going into the transformer, I did not have a good feeling about it. although I have seen those values before in some type of transformers. Most of the time it's not good. Mostly it's a bit higher than that. So if the lamp stays on, the radio's dead. If the lamp dims, chances are the radio is trying to work. Let's phrase that. Well, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Light bulb dims. Looking if I see anything happening. The light is burning. Not hearing any sound. No. No. Okay. Hearing a hum, but that's all that I'm hearing. No. No. Okay. Well, that was a short test. What can I do next? What can I do next? Maybe trying a lighter light bulb and see what that will do. Most of in a 40-watt lamp to see if that will do anything. Transformer seems to be okay because the scale lightning is also burning, so that's a good sign. My guess is that the radio really needs a good clean. Maybe that's something that I can do in the next video. Well, the test with the 40-watt lamp. There we go. See what happens. You see here the scale lightning. Let's wait a minute. No, I'm hearing zilch. Okay. Well, that's that then. Okay. Bit disappointing. I was hoping for more, but well, you can win them all. I think we're gonna make a next video about this radio and then taking it out of the shelf, checking the capacitors, cleaning the tubes. First, it's the first thing I'm going to do. And well, it's a bit disappointing, but I'm not getting any movement in this at all. can try one more time. Let's look inside the radio, what's going on. I can see. Well, I know what the issue is then. The power supply tube is gone. Yeah, that's the whole reason. Yeah, so that AZ41 that's in here, that's not glowing, so the radio is not getting any voltages. So okay, well, this was investigation, the BX-480 from Philips from 1948. This is going back on the shelf, and next video will be about the B5X63, which I'm going to repair, and I'm hoping that I have a good loudspeaker transformer for it then. Thank you for watching, and well, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.